Almost as good as being in the guard seat. Track's not improper. Tunnel! Stupid coronavirus. I would be sitting right next to the engine if possible. I'll get you a video one day of me being right at the engine. They no longer run steam here. They used to, but not too long ago they sold their engine. I think it's gone to the Lapa Valley. Put my hand up on it, showing the continuance of friendship via rails. Shouldn't really be talking so much, but hey ho. Don't know if this video is gonna last until I get back into the station. So if it cuts into two parts, can't do anything about it, can I? But this is a beautiful railway. Yeah, last minute. I hopefully will be getting into the station by that time, but with all the braking he's doing, I'll have to delete more, so I'll see you after this short break.